Nag-research po ako sa Wikipedia about Super Friends at ito po yun. Super Friends is an American animated television series about a team of superheroes which ran from 1973 to 1985. And ABC as part of its Saturday morning cartoon lineup. It was produced by Hanna-Barbera and was based on the Justice League of America, an associated comic book. Characters published by DC Comics. The title of the series varied from season to season, as did the superheroes on the team. 9 seasons comprising a total of 93 episodes were produced. Meron akong ipi-play sa inyo, papanoorin natin yung mga Super Friends opening theme songs. Ito yung 1973 to 1985. Ayan. Panoorin natin para bumalik tayo ulit sa pagkabata natin. Ayan na, okay, game. Ito yung Super Friends, Aquaman, yung magkapatid na may aso, Papa ni Robin, Wonder Woman, tsaka si Superman. Doon sila nakatira sa Justice League.
Created from the cosmic legends of the universe.
Superman!
Wonder Woman.
Ito yung matulog. Ito yung may aso. Aquaman.
And those 3 junior super friends,
Wendy, Marvin, and the Wonder Dog. Parang si Scooby-Doo na yun, hindi ko...
Their mission to fight injustice, to right that which is wrong,
ito
and
yung,
to serve
itong
all
pag
mankind.
pinapalabas to noon, hindi ko siya masyadong gusto. Ito. Another opening theme. Ito, favorite ko itong pag pinapalabas yan. Alam ko na yung mga character na ipapalabas. Ito yung may kambal.
Are the most powerful forces of good.
Ito yung ginaya ko kanina. Ayan. Superman! Batman and Robin! Wonder Woman! Aquaman! Isa rin to favorite ko sa Aquaman.
Gina with their space monkey, Bleak,
Yan, favorite yung kambal niya yan, si Zack and Jaina. Saka yung unggoy na makulit.
justice and peace.
For all mankind! Yan. Ito pa. Ito yung marami sila. Si Luthor, si Cheetah, si Joker, saka yung fake Superman, Legion of Doom, yung bahay naman yung kalaban nila.
The conquest of the universe.
Favorite ko rin to noon. Yan, kalaban ni Green Lantern, yung Sing Sing. Ito yung fake Superman. Super Friends, ayan, kompleto yan. Nandiyan si Flash, si Green Lantern, si Hawkman. Ayan, si Hawkman. Si Joker. Si Flash. Ito si Apache Chief, yung lumalaking tao. Si Samurai saka si Buck Bolton, yung naging kidlat yung dito. Si Cheetah, kalaban ni Wonder Woman. Hindi ko alam yung name ng kalaban ni Aquaman.
The Justice League of America.
Justice League of America versus the Legion of Doom. This is the challenge of the Super Friends. Parang tangal lang eh. Ito pa.
It's the world's
Ito, isa pa to sa pinaka-paborito ko to. Pag nakikita ko yan, yung ganyang opening nila, alam ko na yung sequence ng kwento. Wonder Friends, power activate! Yung lalaki nagiging yellow, ay, nagiging mga gamit, tapos yung babae, ay hindi, yung lalaki sa kambal, nagiging yellow yata, tapos yung babae nagiging gamit. Yan, nakakatuwa oh.
dedicated to truth, justice, and peace for all mankind. The world's greatest
The world greatest Super Friends. Ito pa, nako. Pag nakikita ko agad dyan.
Wonder Woman,
Batman and Robin. Aquaman. Oh, Black Vulcan. Samurai. Apache Chief.
El
El
Dorado.
Dorado.
Together they form the world's greatest force, dedicated to truth, peace, and justice for all mankind. These are
The
the
Super Friends. Ang dami po, di ba? Meron pa yan. Ayan. Ito yata si Atom eh. Firestorm. Ang tuloy. Yung mga tunog, no? Ito yung lumalaking si Apache. Ito rin, magaling din to si Aquaman kasi mga friends niya yung yung mga sa dagat. Iba-ibang karakter sa dagat, mga isda. Mga pugita, yan. Pag tinawag niya yan, at kailangan nila lalapitan siya. The legend, Super Friends, the legendary superpowers. Ito pa. Minsan pag Saturday meron morning, meron din hapon. Yung Atom pala, yung bukod sa meron power na ganun, Atom tuloy, fire, ewan ko. Lumulusot siya, tapos meron siyang power din sa, Hindi siya masyadong, The Super Power Skill, Galactic Guardians. Madalang to, i-play dati. Ito, meron pa. Medyo hindi rin ito masyadong pinapalabas nito.
faster than a speeding bullet. More powerful than
Superman
a
lang to.
locomotive. Able to leap tall buildings in a single bound. Superman. Yes, Superman. Strange visitor from another planet who came to us with powers and abilities far beyond those of mortal men. Superman.
Yung nagtatrabaho siya sa Daily Planet. Kasama niya si Lois Lane, sa si Jimmy, yung cameraman.
Fights the never-ending battle for truth, justice, and the American way.
Yun! Ito, Hanna-Barbera Productions Incorporated. So yun, napanood nyo na lahat. Nakakatuwang balikan yung mga favorite TV programs natin nung tayo ay bata. At isa nga itong Super Friends sa pinaka-favorite kong palabas noong bata pa tayo. And syempre, si Superman, yung aking favorite all-time superhero. Super September on the Bloodcast. Third quarter Madness. 2,000 YouTube subscribers and counting. The 2025 Christmas Countdown on Smule, Year 8 from September 7 to December 21, 2025. The Bloodcast, my official YouTube channel.